Hello, and in this YouTube video, today we'll be discussing the foundation for all abundance. Now, before we get into this meditation, I'd like to thank you for joining us today. If you get any value out of this meditation and out of this channel, then we'd love to hear from you in the comments box below. And if you could give us a like, that would also be great. Lastly, if you get continued value out of this channel, then please consider subscribing and you'll be notified of any new uploads that come our way. So let's get started. Eckhart Tolle once wrote, "Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance." This quote of acknowledging the good that you already have is interesting. The only requisite for abundance is the feeling of abundance. And the foundation for the abundance in your life is simply acknowledging the good that you already have in your life. So ask yourself, where is your acknowledgement for the good in your life? In what ways do you acknowledge the good in your life? Are you constantly focusing on challenging situations? Or are you focusing on all the beauty and abundance that is already there? Are there certain people within your relationships where there's goodness? If so, acknowledge the good in those relationships. Acknowledging the good in your health. What can you appreciate about your health? When you reflect on the goodness of your life, what comes to mind first? Maybe it's certain people. Maybe it's material abundance. Maybe it's a sense of community, a sense of safety. Maybe you reflect on accomplishments in your career, your family, school. And what can you appreciate even more? Acknowledging the good even more. What goodness do you sometimes forget about or take for granted? Can you look for the good in your daily life? Looking for the bright side of things, the blessings all around us, the learnings from the challenges and the struggles, all the different situations of our lives. Can we look for the learnings? can we open to the experience of mercy and forgiveness of ourselves and others. Acknowledging the protections given to you and that you provide to others. Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance.